A famous British rapper recently made headlines around the world. Central Cee, known for his music and millions of fans, announced that he had embraced Islam and taken his Shahada. For many people, this came as a surprise. He had fame, wealth, and success, yet he chose to begin a new spiritual journey. The Shahada is the declaration of faith in Islam. There is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. These simple words mark the beginning of a new life for every Muslim. People from different backgrounds, cultures, and professions continue to discover Islam and embrace its message of faith, worship, and submission to Allah. Muslims around the world welcomed Central Cee and prayed for his guidance, asking Allah to strengthen him in faith and keep him steadfast on the straight path. His story reminds us that guidance comes from Allah alone. No matter who a person is, where they come from, or what their past may be, the door to faith is always open. May Allah guide us all, increase us in knowledge, and keep us firm upon the truth. Ameen.